everyone, so today I'm going to clean this Sears desk fan.
Ace wants to take a video with you. No, he can't. Sorry for that.
But this is a Sears table fan that is broken. It's dangerous to run. So I'm just going to clean it while I have no attempt to run it. So it is, the back grill knob, I took it apart before, but I put it back together. The back grill knob is, it's stuck there. Only my dad can get it off, and he's not here now. But I want to make the video now. I don't think my dad can even get it off, actually. I don't think my dad can even get it off. Let's get this front grill off. I'm cleaning it somewhere else, so look. If I put the iPad on here, you'll see the cardboard box that I'm going to use. Oh, can't see the whole thing. There we go. Okay. But we're going to the fan. Fan, he doesn't. Spins freely now that I've been spinning it for a really long time. I've been spinning this for a really long time. This fin has a strange plug though. Well, I've never seen a plug like that. I guess it's just a plug that only Sears used. This is like the same as the Sanyo. I'm pretty sure I can actually put the Sears blade on the Sanyo. This knob can't come off, sadly. Ugh, it's like stuck. I don't even think my dad can get this. Shaft doesn't spin as free as the Sanyos, but it should be fine. Oscillation, actually, I think it stopped working. Oh, oscillation locks up the shaft. This does not, though. So, how about I put the blade back on when the fan's on oscillation? And I'll show you that. It locks up the shaft. Okay, so I'm not using oscillation ever again, probably. Blade. Put this aside. Okay. Now the iPad, I'm just gonna go over here. Let's start off cleaning the front grill. Okay. Need to get a rag and clean. Get a rag. And some, where is it? This is the cleaner. This is the cleaner I want. The blade's like the dirtiest part. I'm not going to clean the blade holder though. There's no reason to do that. Here we go. Oh, the night has been. It's all gross in here. It's probably the grossest part on this fan. This is, the blade's the dirtiest part. I'm just going to spray cleaner on, a new rag. And do it for the front grill. Now I have to clean. Wait, did I? No, I didn't do the Sears logo. Make sure the Sears logo has some nice sign. So you have a beautiful metallic Sears Roebuck logo. Okay. there's dust coming out. Yay, I'm getting dust out of it. This fan will probably make some more air in no time. Oh, there's still dust on it. It doesn't want to come off. Okay. It's only like around here. Okay. Now the dust will come off. Yep. There it goes. Okay, that's it for the front grill. That is going to dry. Because this one actually, I can let it dry for a while because it's broken. Aislinn. Ow. Aislinn, ow. Here's the blade. How about we start with the back? Aislinn, stop using Dad's tape. There we go. That looks so much better. Is the camera still on? Yep, okay. Not for this blade. Well, I think I done all of it, actually. Yep. And I did the back side too. So this is going to dry. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye!